Hey everybody. So I just wanted to start off my series of creating a 48 volt battery. And what we have here is I have 16 cells at 3.2 volts at 105 amp hours. This is to be able to make a 48 volt pack. But so you guys can see, so what I'm doing is I'm balancing the pack out. The pack is being balanced out if you notice that all the cells are actually in parallel. This side, I have one bank over here, which is a bank of 8, and I have the second bank, which is 8 as well. And then if you look on the end down here, I have them hooked in parallel between the banks. So this is going to be the first 48 hours to let these cells balance out. The next phase of this is going to be to hook up a daily BMS 100 amp 48 volt, and I'm also going to hook up a daily active balancer for 48 volts as well. And I'm going to be able to continue the series on it. If you notice, you'll see my pack that I've prepared with wood, and I'm going to be able to have rods that are going to be able to compress the packs just enough to be able to carry it. I'm also going to put the fiberglass tape around this as well. And if you take a look here, I have my insulators that can go in between the packs, as you can see, like this. You can fit them in there too. This, since they're all being balanced right now, it really isn't a big deal. But once I get the pack, and I'm going to be able to show how to build this. Again, this is going to be a 48 volt, 100 amp hour. These cells that I bought from AliExpress, and they were $32 each. Now, it did take almost 50 days to be able to get these batteries in, but $32 a cell. So thank you again, and we'll continue on with the next video. Thanks, and have a good day. As always, see you later.